I'm here with Steve of Thermal King Windows. Now, Steve, when people are shopping for a replacement window, there's lots of choices. There's wood, there's aluminum, and I hear a lot about vinyl windows. What's so special about a vinyl window?
Well, the benefit of a vinyl window is it's a maintenance-free material. It doesn't require any painting or staining or upkeep like that. The downside to a vinyl window is it's a weak material, structurally speaking, and it has a tendency to warp and sag and misshape from its original form. And when that happens, you have issues where the window won't open and close properly, or it doesn't lock right, or it doesn't seal tight, and you have air coming around it and things like that.
All right, now, Steve, I'm a little confused. I thought the Thermal King window was a vinyl window.
It is a vinyl window, but where we're different from everybody else, our vinyl frame is reinforced with molded fiberglass. Molded fiberglass is a very rigid material that we put inside the frame, and it acts as a backbone or a stiffener inside there, and it prevents the frame from twisting and warping and sagging like all vinyl windows do.
Okay, and it probably helps with the energy efficiency as well?
Well, absolutely. If you have a vinyl window and the frame misshapes and warps and you have air infiltration, you have no efficiency.
Right.
With ours, the frame's not going to misshape or warp because of the molded fiberglass. But in addition to that, because our frame's so much stronger, it can properly support the weight of 3 panes of glass. You see, most vinyl windows can barely support the weight of 2 panes of glass, much less 3. With ours, since the frame's so much stronger, we can support the weight of 3 panes of glass without any problem, and there's a dramatic increase in efficiency there.
So it's a very unique window. Now, if somebody wants to learn a little bit more about this fiberglass reinforced vinyl window, what do they do?
Well, the best is to go to our website, which is thermalkingwindows.com, or they can also reach out to us at 913-451-2300.
That's Thermal King Windows.